Welcome to SR Data Solutions. Today we are going to discuss language detection using R programming. So let's see how this program will be executed. So go to R Studio, click R Studio. This is R Studio framework. Then take new file, new script. Here you need to install library file that is TextCat. So let's check whether it is installed or not. Just run it. Yes, it's installed. So it is not installed. So then click packages, then install and type TextCat. Cat means categorization. So it is available in this version. Then click install. So already this package is installed, so no need to install again. Then add some data, so who are discussed in social media like Twitter and Facebook. So create an object. I'm taking text is an object. So some corpus data. Now I want to add some data corpus. Right, let's check it will display or not. Yes, it's working. Now I'm taking one more objective, language equals to, so text cat is a predefined function for detecting languages. So what is the objective? Text, right? So this entire text corpus will store into text objective, then simply we can call text with a function. So this entire will store into language. So directly we can call print language, right? Now compile each line, so then see what will happen. See here, text equals to data will display on our console, and then the function will be executing, then print language. See here the first line, so which language detected? French. Second line English, Italian, German, Spanish. So this is the way how to detect a language from the social media who are discussed with different languages. So it is useful for text summarization, for doing the research point of view. Text summarization, then finding number of words, I mean word count, that is word count. Then so for calculating TF and IDF, and then term document matrix for getting accuracy, for getting best accuracy, you need to know the text categorization and you have to detect the language. So which language they are discussed in the social media. So then you can drag this all things, right? And then so based on this, so we need to know the text summarizations, finding number of words, that's word count. So here SUIE, So the programmer, this is a programmer, right? So but different languages, so we can't get the number of counts, right? So first we have to find the which language it is, right? Then after that you have to convert this French language into English language, then only you can find the number of words in this corpus. So otherwise no need for this one, right? The next class then we will discuss so how to convert this French language into English, and then Italian language to English, German language into English, and Spanish language into English. So then only we have to find the number of words in the corpus, right? So this is a way how to detect the languages, right? Thank you so much.